Have you ever wondered who makes the best 2 or 3 handle tub and shower faucet? That answer might just surprise you. Check out the video coming up next. So today we're looking at a couple of different faucets for a 2 and 3 handle tub and shower faucet. We're looking at a well-known name brand, Moen, and we're comparing it to a faucet that's not so well-known, made by a company called Proplus. You know, the Moen is a well-known brand that you'll see in most of your hardware stores, most of your big box stores. But one of the things is it's got a lot of plastic in it. Let's open these boxes up and kind of compare what the difference is. What this is the Moen Adler tub and shower valve, lever handles, when pulling these items out, it's got a brass valve body. That's nice to have, but one thing I see is that they're plastic ends here, plastic stems. So where your handle meets for the faucet to control is on a plastic stem assembly. Let's pull this nut off, kind of get a deeper, closer look. Well, we've got a long plastic extension here. And the stem assembly that mounts to this thing, let's pull that out. And this here is the Moen 1224 cartridge assembly. It's a washerless style stem. So if anything happens to this as far as leaking, you're going to have to replace the entire stem. Not to mention the handle that comes with it. It's got a nice look to it. The only problem is that's plastic too. The trim, the sleeves, the decoration, escutcheons you may call it, all plastic. Even the tub spout, it's all plastic. So you're getting 80% of this faucet is plastic. So you know you're paying good money for a faucet that for a well-known company that has basically a plastic faucet. The problem with this, you know, the fact that it looks nice is usually what people go by, the way it looks. But the problem is when you grab a hold of this handle, and back in the old days, if this faucet were to drip, you know, you could kind of give it a little crank and shut the water off. Well, this is going to break off in your hand. So then you're going to have to replace the plastic stem, extension, the stem assembly itself, and probably the handle. So it's stuff you can't find in a local hardware store. You're not going to find it at a Lowe's or Home Depot. They don't sell the parts for this stuff individually to fix that. So then you're in a bad spot. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put this back in the box, and I'm going to show you a better solution. Slide this over to the side. It's Christmas season. You like my little Charlie Brown plunger Christmas tree? It's kind of cool. Put that back over there. This faucet here, it's made by a company called Proplus. You know, it's not as well known or big named as your Delta, Moen, Kohler, American Standard. But let's open this up and kind of compare it. When we first open this box up, what I see is all brass, heavy duty, metal construction, long brass stems. Open up the handles on these. The handles are all metal. The trim is metal. Everything in this faucet is metal. So with these metal escutcheons and handles, it's really a better product. And believe it or not, these metal escutcheons and handles are cheaper than the Moen ones. I think these run about $5 a piece. You can buy them individually. I think with the Moen you have to buy them as a set as far as the handles, and I think they're north of $20. So that's a cool feature there. And everything's included. Comes with the shower head. Shower head's kind of cheap, but most faucets come with a cheap shower head, and that's really because everybody has their personal preference, whether they want a hand shower for a wand or massage, so they kind of just skimp on the shower heads. Comes with a brass shower arm and the flange assembly that goes around it, and even the tub spout. That is a metal tub spout. So as far as repair for these faucets, when working with the faucet, this one's really easy to fix. Okay, takes Price Pfister replacement parts actually, but if the Moen leaks, you have to replace the entire stem. If the Proplus leaks, you can pull the stem out, and just like an old school faucet, you can just change that washer. So for 50 cents, you can change the washer and screw, as opposed to $12.99 replacing the Moen stem assembly. Reinstall, and you just get a far superior product, a heavier duty, more durable product that's going to last you a long time. So I really like this product. I'm going to put the link down below to purchase this faucet. It's really a far superior faucet, and it's cheaper than the Moen product. If you look at any of the faucets in the hardware stores, the big box stores, Lowe's, Home Depots, Menards, you're going to find the Moens, the American Standards. They all have plastic stems. The Aquasource, the Glacier Bay in Home Depot, the Project Source, all those have plastic stems, and they're really not very durable. So if you have any questions, comment down below, and I'll try to answer any questions you have. If you want some close-up pictures, I might be able to post that on my website. I'll have that in the link, and really kind of hope this really helps and gives you an idea of what the best faucet is. It's not always a name brand, top quality or top brand faucet. Sometimes the no name is sometimes a better quality. So, thanks a lot, guys. Give us a subscribe. I got a lot of reviews coming up, and if you have any questions, let me know. Give us a like and a thumbs up. Bye-bye.